You guys, so I am on the hunt for some new cleaning products, because y'all know when I get in my spring cleaning, all that, the Christmas season is over, so I'm doing some deep cleaning. So I'm looking for some clean products. I just left Home Depot and I found some new products in there, so I'm headed to Target, because y'all know I love Target. Y'all know I hate going to Walmart, but I might peek my head in Walmart to see if they got something new. But I'm going in here to find some new cleaning products, and I need some couple of other things. So just out making my rounds today. I will chat with y'all when we get in the store. This one smells good. Let's see this one.
How is she recording when nobody else is in the frame and you guys can see her heads? It's me.
Spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though. Wanna hang with me.
Alright, you guys, so I'm in the cleaning section, but y'all, this is my favorite sandwich. This sandwich, the bacon Gouda cheese. This is my little treat to myself today. I'm looking for some. This right here, to get your bed linen and whites clean. This is one of my favorites. Let's see what else we can find.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though. Wanna hang with me.
All right, so I need some detergent. Y'all know my favorite. So let's just see what we can find. That's $8.99, but the big ones. This is my favorite one. I'm gonna get this.
So spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though. Wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me.
All right, you guys, so I just left Target. Didn't find too much new stuff in there, but I'm gonna have to go to Walmart because I think I could find some better deals. Y'all know how I feel about Walmart. It's a love-hate relationship, but I'm gonna go to Walmart so I can get my detergent. And of course I had to get me a snack. But y'all, go get that bacon Gouda egg cheese sandwich from Starbucks. It's like my little guilty pleasure, like my little treat to myself today. And make sure y'all do something for y'allself today. I don't care how big or small it is. Do something for yourself. This is my other treat. Actually, y'all, when I get into Walmart. All right, guys, so I'm on my way to Walmart, but yeah, y'all know how I feel about Walmart. But when I get there, hopefully they have my big thing of the metal scent from Arm & Hammer, because that's my favorite one. But when you out, you know, you just grab one. As long as it's Arm & Hammer, especially with the OxyClean, that's like my favorite. But anyhow, yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do there. Just checking in with y'all. Y'all know how I do. I'm so excited to have my car mount. I just don't know what to do with myself. All right, y'all, so I done made it to Walmart, so let's see what we can find here. Here in Walmart. But y'all don't sleep on this little $3 section. They had these Taraji B. Henson, you know, the hairline and stuff, $5. I was like, I keep telling y'all, don't be sleeping on these little aisles. When you want to try something new, always check and see if they got the travel size, because you can find some hidden little gems. Like this Aunt Jackie Don't Shrink. There's some good stuff for $3. Honey, yes, go get it. And if y'all looking for ways to find your self-care items, this little shelf will get you right, honey. All kinds of goodies. This lady was just staring at me. I'm like, can you just mind your business? I mind the mines. Go figure, huh? But yeah, this little rack has some goodies up there. I'm telling you guys, you don't have to break the bank to find little cute self-care items, eye patches and everything. My Lord. All right, so I'm back at the EOS lotion because y'all know I love my vanilla cashmere one. So I want to smell these with you guys. Can y'all tell how excited I was? I'm telling you, y'all, little bitty stuff makes me so happy. I ain't really feeling that all that hot. It ain't really do it for you, girl. Yeah, it was alright. It wasn't like that vanilla cashmere. And then this one was, I forget what scent this one is, but I like that one. Yeah. Can you tell? But yeah, this one right here, yeah, go get this one. Now these are some new ones. Y'all seen these before?
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me.
All right, y'all. This is one thing y'all don't know about me, or you may know if you're oldie, but I love baby dolls. All right, you guys. I just came from Bath and Body Works. Lost my train of thought, but I had a coupon for 20% off, and then I had a free wallflower as well. But y'all, this is a new scent. Y'all know I love my wallflowers. Fresh coconut and cotton. It smells really fresh, really got a slight sense of sweetness to it, but it's really fresh. I'm trying a new scent because y'all know I'm ready to clean. And for my bathrooms, I got the eucalyptus rain because y'all know my candle in there is the Callalulu Tranquility. So I'm trying to keep that like spa-like vibe going. So eucalyptus rain and fresh coconut and cotton. I wanted the laundry day because that's more of a clean, fresh like scent, because y'all know I'm deep cleaning. So that, stay tuned for that video. But y'all go get these two scents, eucalyptus rain and fresh coconut cotton. Smells really good. It's not too fruity, not too sweet, because you know sometimes I be want to take a break from my sweet smells, but that just made my day. So y'all know what time it is. Y'all know I told you I'm cleaning anyway, so that just made my day to do that. So I'm on my way home. I wanted to stop in Barnes & Noble and just relax, but I didn't bring my notebook or nothing. That's where I go to relax and clear my head and journal and stuff. But how about your girl didn't bring no notebook today? It's been a quite busy, eventful day. But anyway, I'm going to chat with y'all when I get home and show y'all the rest of the haul that I got from Home Depot, Walmart, and Target. I'll show you guys that when I get home. All right, guys. So I done made it back home. I got so many bags, I don't even know where to start. But anyway, y'all know how I feel about my Arm & Hammer. I have to have that. I have to have Arm & Hammer baking soda at all times. And I was in Dollar Tree. Y'all know I stay in Dollar Tree. So I needed tissues. So I got 2 things of tissue. And then I got some paper towels. Got this for Walmart. Yeah, so then I got some more paper towels. And I was in the Dollar Tree and I wanted to try these. I smelled them the other day, but I forgot about them. But this right here, it smells so good. I'm going to try these and let y'all taste. For $1.25, not taste them. For $1.25, I'm going to let y'all smell them. But they smell good. I'm just got to get my clothes. And then I got some dishwasher liquid. While I was at Walmart, I got my son some more face cleanser because that works really good for him. These right here, you guys, are my favorite trash bags. Arm & Hammer Hefty Ultra Strong. Got a little Fabuloso scent. I love, love, love these. I like the one with the April scent, but they didn't have those, so I got these. They last us about probably a month, good month. So it's 25 in here, so love, love, love that. Of course, more paper towels. And y'all know I was gonna go in there and find something for hygiene. But everybody been raving about this Dove Awakening Pear. Y'all know I'm gonna go take a shower, right? Y'all know I'm gonna go take a shower so I can smell this, because it smells so good through the packaging. But everybody been saying, go try the Pear Dove. And I finally found it because Walmart be out and Target. So got that. I need some more deodorant. Got that. And then got some panty liners. Got that. And most of this stuff is cleaning. So I wasn't lying, you guys. I did go out for cleaning stuff. These right here are some of my absolute favorite things to put down in the toilet. And then I needed some razors, so I got that. What else did I get? Then, I know I love gum. I have to have gum in the house.
So people thank you for wishing me happy birthday. Good day to you all. One night.
Yeah, so, that. And then, I got this because I need some detergent bad. I'm out of my other one except for my pods. So this was $3 and something. Got this. Not my favorite. Y'all know I'm an Arm & Hammer girl, but I got Tide. I wish they would have the original one, because the Tide original scent is my favorite, but it's one of my favorites when I'm not using Arm & Hammer. But they of course they ain't gonna go down for that one. And then I was looking at it's all right. It's gonna do, but it ain't my cup of tea. But right now, you guys, they got these 4 for $9 at Walgreens. If you guys like this brand, I'm gonna use it. It's the Refreshing Breeze scent. It's okay, but y'all know my favorite. If I can't get Arm & Hammer, I love the Gaines Original and the Tide Original. Them other scents, they okay, but y'all know when you're used to what you like, it is what it is. And then I went to Home Depot first this morning, and this is what I've been wanting to try, you guys. The pink stuff, I cannot wait to go clean with this. And I went to Walmart and I got the bathroom foam cleaner as well. So I got two, because this was $2 and something at Walmart, which I was mad because I paid $5 and something for the all-purpose one. So I could use it all around the house. So got that. And then I was running low on my spray away, so I got some more of this. This is my favorite glass cleaner. Been using it for a couple of years now. Love it, love it, love it. Won't change from that. And then I got these for the trash can odor eliminator. I can't wait to clean my trash out, you guys, and put this up there. Oh my God, I can't wait to clean. So I'm gonna get comfortable, put my little PJs on, and I'm finna clean. And then I got these for both bathrooms, because I'm gonna clean the kids' bathroom. See, they love it when I'm in a cleaning mood, because I be cleaning their chores too. But I'm gonna use these and let y'all know how I like them. And especially, I love Plinks, because I got the things that, you know, the things that go down in the kitchen drain sink, the lemon fresh. It smells good. And this gonna be the bomb.com. So I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna clean my trash can out with the new products. And of course, let me go get the Target bag. All right, you guys, so I went to Target too, and I got these for baby girl to clean in between her braces. Got that. Of course, I had to get some more of these tongue scrapers because I was out in my bathroom. I got my favorite toothpaste, Arm & Hammer. They was finally back in, because I just been using Colgate lately, but got my Arm & Hammer. Got 2 things of wipes, because we needed wipes. We go through wipes like crazy. And then, while I'm on the cleaning spree, I got the Scrub Mommy. So can't wait. Super excited to try this. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try this. So this is going to be really nice. And then I always change out my toothbrushes every 2 to 3 months. So I got me another toothbrush and some panty liners. And that is my haul, you guys. I'm going to put this stuff up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've tried any of these products. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss another episode. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah. Don't forget to grab your self-care journal and take better care of yourself.